In this video, I will show you how to use Replit for beginners. So the first step is to go to replit.com and then just have to create a free account. Now you'll have daily credits that you can use to build free apps. So as you can see here, we can choose if we want to create a web app, mobile app, or animation. Here we have other types available, but you need to have the paid plan available. So here we can simply type in create me a calculator, and then we just have to click on start. Now the AI will create for us, so they will code, design, and everything. And what we can do, we can either use this as it is, or we can make changes. So as you can see on the left side, we have here this chat where we have the AI which does all the work, and here we have the preview. So now we just have to wait until this finishes, and then we'll have the result. If you want to add more features, you just have to click here at the bottom and then simply tell the AI to add more features. But now we just have to wait until it creates the basic app. So it's going to take a few minutes. We just have to wait. So as you can see, it says that he'll build a modern calculator application for us. The app will feature a standard number pad with basic arithmetic operations, etc. So as you can see, it's still working. So now we just have to wait until he adds all the APIs, and then we'll have the preview right here. Now as you can see in the top right corner, we can also publish this app. So if you want to give access to other users, or maybe you want to sell the app and make money with it, you can do that. So here it is, the result. So as you can see, we have our basic calculator that we can use. So as you can see, we have the history, so we can delete the history, and here we can delete and create basic math calculations. So basically that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.